and she looking at me and she got the ass, I'm taking her out. We on the Buddha and we on the ganja and we was on that for like 44 hours. She a Dominican with a little Asian, best believe that I'm finding out. We get the choppers, we in and out. Y'all on the wave and we switch up the route.
I got a bad bitch and I think it ain't destiny. Stay in the streets and not talking about sex with me. Lil' boy, yeah, he keep trying to flex and my body is hot cause the heat stay next to me. New baby chop, yo, hold about 50. Keep talking shit, we pull up to your city. Yeah, I'm a dog, but I'm never chasing the kitty. Nigga run up, just know I got the goods. Wanna fuck on the hood cause her pussy smell fishy. Sippin' on lean, yeah, shit got me dizzy. Not from the A, but we say no kizzy. Don't want me a lamp, finna give me a Bentley. Yeah. Bitch.
Become the biggest woman in the world. You become the strongest woman in the world because I know your talent. I know what you got. I know your thoughts. I know what you want to do. I know how you're gonna do it. But I also know that you're shy and you're not gonna do it until it's the perfect time to do it. So I pray to God every day that you blow up faster than life.
She's so shorty and she talking to me, but I couldn't understand what the fuck she is saying. We in the A, she shopping at lunch, she shop at the West Point, talking about yeah. I'm chasing a bag, I'll never be corny. At the end of the day, I'm just trying to get paid. She saw all the rats, she got a little horny, so all of that sex, the fuck on my face. See this little shorty and she looking at me and she got the ass, I'm taking her out. We on the Buddha and we on the ganja and we was on that for like 44 hours. She a Dominican with a little Asian, best believe that I'm finding out. We get the choppers, we in and out. Y'all on the wave and we switch up the route.
Careful with niggas, cause niggas be worried I'm chasing the money, they chasing the clout. Nigga mad, I put thick in the spots, but the stick to his head, we ain't finding it out. Me and that baby were broke, now you rich as a bitch, yeah, we just had to figure it out. I got drip, what the fuck is a drought? Man, fuck the peace, we ain't talking it out.
Man, fuck the peace, we ain't talking it out. I got a bad bitch, she come from the south. Me and Decemb3R got sticks like 10, she take it to try, gon' take the shit out. Counting the hundreds, we counting the benches, we say to ourselves, what the fuck is a drought? Case if you're wondering, she in my house. If you're worrying about what the fuck is your spouse.